Okay, so we are going to factorize this trinomial. Since we have a 3 in front of the x squared as a coefficient, since it's greater than 1, we first need to see if the other coefficients and constant is divisible by 3. Since 3 cannot go into 16 nor can it go into 5, we cannot get rid of this 3. Okay, so first step when it comes to factorizing, you have to make sure to always place down your two brackets. I would say the second step is to look at the signs. Since they are all positive, right, we can place a positive there and a positive there. Okay, since none of these coefficients and constants is divisible by 3, I can place the 3 over here, leaving the other one as is. So because we have an x squared and we're dealing with a trinomial, I have to place an x over here, an x over here. Okay, then I need to check, okay, what two numbers can I multiply in order to get this constant over here, right? You can see only 5 times 1 can work over here, right? You also need to see, because we have 5 and 1, if I place a 5 over here, you can always just try to look forward and see, will it eventually add up to 16, right? Because whatever numbers you have over here must eventually add up to 16x. Okay, so say I place my 5 over here and my 1 over here, right? You multiply these two to give you that. Okay, so to just check if your answer is correct, you can use the FOIL method to see if you land back up to the same equation over here. Okay, so 3 times x, that 3x times x, that will give me 3x squared. Okay, so I have that so far. Let's look at 3x times 5. Okay, 3x times 5, that will give me 15x. Okay, 1 times x and then 1 times 5, so that will give me plus x, right? 1 times x, 1 times 5, that will give me 5. Okay, since these two terms over here share the same variable, which is just x, you can add these two, right? And that will give you 16x, right? I can bring that down, plus 5 and 3x squared. And you can see there that we've landed up with the same trinomial as before. Cheers.